Why commercial space investment is the best kind of investment? Commercial real estate is one of the best asset classes to make an investment in. It is stable and has higher returns when compared to other investment options in India like gold, stocks, or residential properties. Today, we're going to talk about why commercial spaces are the best kind of investment to make. There are many types of commercial properties, but for today's video, we are going to generally speak about office spaces, retail spaces, and commercial plots since they are the top 3 types of commercial real estate that you would find in India. The top most common benefits of investing in commercial real estate are its pay potential, professional clients, public image, proper price evaluation, and rent adaptability. Not only does it pay well, you only deal with businessmen who are just as concerned about the company's image as you are, which helps in making higher profits and evaluating rent prices. The lesser laws surrounding commercial investments also make it easier to earn more when compared to other investment options. However, there are a few obstacles that you might face before going for commercial investments. Some commercial investments may take time before you start earning from them, whereas others start giving back a day after the investment is made. Therefore, it's crucial to know which property to invest in. We at Bridal 360 have been in the market for a long time and can help guide you in the direction of good commercial properties to invest in so that you won't have to deal with any losses. With the pandemic's effect decreasing day by day, now is one of the best times to invest in commercial real estate in Hyderabad. If you'd like to learn more about commercial investments, click the link in the description box below and you'll be redirected to our website where you can read our blog about it or contact our experts so that we can help guide you towards the best commercial properties to invest in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates from us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.